I am back with you, bringing a new topic for you. So, on the topic of today, we have a 3 week card generated. In this video, we will generate a free virtual credit card for any trial subscription. If you want to take a Canva subscription, if you want to take a domain, or there are a lot of offers in trial subscription. So, if you want to take this subscription, then you need a virtual credit card. In this video, we'll apply for the card and we'll successfully get the virtual credit card for any trial subscription. I will show you in this video with live proof, also taking the free subscription of any trials. By the way, Ronaldo is an online marketplace that connects freelancers selling their services with clients looking to hire someone for a project. You definitely can make money on Ronaldo as a freelancer. Since our platform acts as an online marketplace for freelancers and businesses to connect with each other, there are plenty of opportunities available where you can earn a decent income by providing your services. And if you're a buyer, it's very easy to find the right person for the job, no matter what the job is. Ronaldo's homepage automatically recommends several freelancers and services on offer, but you can also search for exactly what you're looking for. Check the first link in the description below to join our Telegram channel. So now let's begin. And first, you have to go for the new tab of any browser you may like. Here I'm using Chrome, and you can try this on both devices, mobile and laptop also. So yeah, I'm just using the laptop. Now I have to just go for the new tab, and yeah, you have to type for the do not pay. Now the search result will provide you a link to the website, and that is on the top of this search rank. This is the website, just go for it. donotpay.com, and you will find the interface of this website like this. So by using the website, you can get a free virtual credit card. So I have the next website. Also, do not skip any part. If this website does not work for you, then you can try for the next website also, which I will share soon. So first of all, to get the free virtual credit card from this website, you have to just go for the sign up, or you have to go for the login. So if you have an account, go for the login. If you don't have one, then you can create one. So we're just going to sign up to create the account in donotpay.com. In the sign up process, you have to provide your email or phone number. Yeah, I'm going to go for the email. After you have successfully provided the email and phone number, you have to just continue on the home page of this website. They clearly mentioned what you can do with this card. So there are a lot of features. You can go for it, and you can read for every service they are providing using this virtual credit card. So for that, you have to just go for the add a credit card, just go for it. And to get the subscription of this card, you have to just provide your Visa card number. So if you have an ATM card, then you can just provide the ATM card over here, and you can just go for the CVC number, and you can go for the start membership. After that, you'll be successfully redirected to the page where you can access this virtual credit card. So you can pay for anything by using notpay.com. This website is for those who have a Visa or debit card. But if you do not have any card, or if you do not have any bank account, then I have a next website for you, and this website will definitely provide you the free trial, and that is totally without paying a single penny for this website. So let's move forward. So let's go for that website and go for the new tab. And here you have to type this. When you provide this keyword, you can find the respective in the top of this Google rank. So this is the website. Just go for it. And I want to tell you that the best part of this website is that they have clearly mentioned that you can get the unlimited free trial from this website. As you can see, that is, this website supports the 1,000 plus sites which provide you the free trial for you. By using this virtual credit card, you can use the Canva Pro. You can go for the YouTube Premium. You can go for an add-up collection. So in the home page, you can see that you are providing a real active virtual credit card. So just go for the get started. To create an account on this website, here you have to provide your email password, and you have to just agree on the terms and privacy, and you can go for the sign up. So let's fill up this information. After we've filled up all these requirements, you can just go for the sign up. Now we're redirected to the dashboard of this website where you can access the free virtual credit card. Now to continue to this website, you have to just go for the set up accounts to create an account for this website. Just go for it. In this new page, you have to do nothing to get your free trial. So for you using the free virtual card, you have to just tap on this trial demo card, and they will reveal you for the free virtual credit card. So just go for this, and a plan will appear on this website where you can access the free virtual credit card. So this is the plan. So for you, this is for this you have to just pay for the $6, and after that you can access this card. You can use this credit card 4,000 times. So you can use any free trial using this partial credit card so that you will not get any charge from this website. This is how you can get the free virtual credit card using the subscription. So if you want this free virtual credit card, then there is this next website which will provide you with free virtual credit card, and this is cracked.io. So on this website you can access the free virtual credit card, and to access this free virtual website you have to just go to the register. So you just go for the register and a new page will open, and here you have to provide your information and you have to open your account on this website. So let's fill up this information. Also, after you have successfully provided your information, scroll down, resolve this captcha. Now agree the terms and condition, and after that you go for submit registration. You can find this your account is not activated. So to activate this account, you have to just go for the respective Gmail and you have to activate the account by clicking on the respective activation link. So let's go for Gmail. Now in the mail, we can see the email from this crack.io. So just click on this link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you have to just again go for the login, and you have to just click on login to continue for this website. You'll be redirected to this page where you can access this Visa, MasterCard, or Onion Pay, or any credit card. So for that, you have to just go for the MasterCard or Visa as you like. So I'm selecting the MasterCard. After that, you have to just go for this generated card number only, or you can just go for the card number, expiry date, and CVC. I'll just go for this one. And after that, you have to just click on the generated credit card. Okay, when you click on the generated MasterCard number, your expiry date and your CVV number will be generated on this website so that you can use it for any trial subscription. So this is how you can go about creating a free virtual credit card for your website. So if you like the video, please hit on the like option. Do not forget to click on the subscribe and bell icon for our latest updates. Still, if you got any error, any problem regarding this or any topic, then you can directly drop it in the comment section below. I'll be back again with you bringing more content like this. Till then, have a good day. Like, share and subscribe to Ladder Business to value your support.